Hi guys, I was wondering, does this sound good? I'm actually reading a fanfic of Alice and the Mad Hatter. They're so awesome together. Called Alice's Mad Hatter. So, how does it sound? This is chapter 1. It was another day in Wonderland. Alice was sitting by the river. She was the hero of Wonderland. She sighed. Alice was so lonely. She loved the Mad Hatter. "Boo!" yelled the Mad Hatter. "Ah!" screamed Alice. "You scared me." "I know, Alice." She laughed. Mr. Hatter was so funny and cute. He was just so cute. Alice blushed. "May I sit down?" he asked. "Of course, Madster," she replied. Going back to the nickname, he sat down. Then a strong wind breezed by. Alice held on tight to a tree, but eventually let go. She was about to fall into the river when Madster grabbed her hand and pulled her up. "Thanks, Madster," she said. "No problem. You're my friend after all," he replied. "But isn't the March Hare your friend?" "He's a horrible friend. All he ever does is drink tea, eat butter, and throw teacups around." Chapter 2. Alice woke up. That was all just a dream. It was time to leave for Wonderland. She was so excited. She hadn't been to Wonderland for 5 years. She was 16 now. So how does that sound, guys? Because I honestly ship them a lot. I'm gonna go. I gotta leave in like an hour.